Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic, chapter 11, C.B.Q 2. Our today's lesson number 42. Okay, let us start our class. At first, I am reading the question. You are told to hear the question carefully. Here the question is, Bina and Rina are two sisters. Age of Bina is 14 years 5 months and the age of Rina is 9 years 9 months. A number question is, convert 3 days into hours. B number question, convert Bina's age into days. And C number question, what is the difference of their ages? Okay, now we will solve. At first we will solve A number question. Here we have to convert 3 days into hours. We know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 days is equal to, it will be 3 times of 24. That means we have to multiply 24 by 3. So we know that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore, 3 days is equal to, it will be 3 times of 24 hours. Now, 4 3s are 12, from 12 we will write 2 carrying 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is equal to 72. 72 hours, and it is the answer. Answer will be 72 hours. Okay, we have finished A number question. Now we will solve B number. Here B number question is, convert Bina's age into days. Here Bina's age is 14 years 5 months. So at first we have to convert 14 years to days, and then we have to convert 5 months to days, then we have to add B number. Here Bina's age is 14 years 5 months. 14 years 5 months. Now we know that one year is equal to 365 days. Therefore, 14 years is equal to, it will be 14 times of 365. That means we have to multiply 365 by 14. Now, if we multiply 365 by 14, then at first we have to multiply 365 by 4. Here 4 5s are 20, from 20 we will write 0 carrying 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 2 is equal to 26, from 26 we will write 6 carrying 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Now in second step, at first we have to give 0 in one place. Now 1 5s are 5, 1 6 are 6 and 1 3s are 3. Now we have to add 0 plus 0 equal to 0, and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. From 11 we will write 1 carrying 1. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. From 11 we will write 1 carrying 1. 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means 365 multiplication 14 is equal to 5110 days. 5110 days. Now we have to convert 5 months into days. Again we know that Again, we know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. Therefore, 5 months is equal to, it will be 5 times of 30, 30 multiplication 5 days. If we multiply 30 by 5, then 3 5s are 15 and another 0 will come, so it will be 150 days. Now we have to add 5110 with 150 days, then we will get the answer. Therefore, 14 years 5 months is equal to, therefore 14 years 5 months. 14 years 5 months is equal to, 14 years is equal to 5110 days plus 5 months is equal to 150 days. Now if we add 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0 and 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, again 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and another 5 exists, so it will be 5260. Answer will be 5260 days. Answer 5260 days. Okay, dear the students, we have finished B number. Now we will do C number. Here the C number question is, what is the difference of their ages? Here Bina says given and Rina says also given. Here Bina says 14 years 5 months and Rina says 9 years 9 months. That means Bina says is greater, so we have to subtract Rina says from Bina says. So at first we have to write Bina's age. C number. Here Bina's age is, Bina's age is 14 years 5 months, 14 years 5 months. Rina says, Rina says is 9 years 9 months. Now we have to subtract. At first we have to subtract 9 months from 5 months, but it's not possible because 9 is greater than 5. So we have to take 1 year from this part, and when 1 year will come in this part, it will be converted into months, and we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So we have to add 12 months with 5 months. Now 12 plus 5, this is equal to 17. That means we have to consider here 17 exists. Now 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 8 months. Now since we have already taken 1 year from this part, so now we have to consider it is 13, not 14. We have to consider here 13 exists. Now 13 minus 9, this is equal to 4. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4 years. Therefore, difference of their ages their ages is 4 years 8 months, and answer will be 4 years 8 months. Dear the students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.